What's up? It's me, Juan. Come with me as we peruse Camera Social. So this is the vlogging section that they have in mind here. See, it's soundproofed, all that good stuff. You mix. You want to get a little mix? There you go. There's a little controller you can use. And then this is the section I'm speaking of. I took some photos here earlier, but this is also a work in progress. And I just learned that they have some very trendy streaming equipment that they just need to get set up. I saw it. It's very, very nice. So this is Camera Social, and this is their vlogging area. You take care, and then I'll be showing you the other sections as they become available. Thanks.
DJ Taxi.
Here goes a little photography session. Let's see what we got here. Want to take some headshots? Got you. Need to fix your makeup before you take the headshot? They got you. What's up? It's gonna give you a little tour of the Camera Social studio. Here we go. So this is just, a little area you can, socialize with your friends, make some memories, take some photos. Here's another little station they have where you can, take some little lovey-dovey photos, maybe some prom, some sort of school event. Also, we're thinking about getting some music going here. Just basically all around setting the vibe. Choose happy. Alright. Here we go as well, another little section with plenty of potential. And here's another little photo op area to take some professional photos. And here's a little vlogging section, no video, just, you got something to say, say it. Alright, we'll go through it. Let's go in it. Here we go. Here's the lighting. Little mirrors, you can see how you look. Alright, and 'tis the season. You got Christmas coming, so why not capture the moment? Look at that, winter is upon us. Check it out. La 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 la. And here's probably the best idea. If you love karaoke, do it on the runway. I keep messing that up. That's what I killed. Alright. So here we go again. And that's all she wrote. And that's me here, Juan, at Camera Social. Tune in next time.